Hello, dear friends. This is our new lesson, Deutsch course, German course, Buch 1, Book 1. Lektion Nummer 5. 5 means 5. MP. In previous lesson, we have learned nouns from letter I to L. In this lesson, we will learn more nouns from letter M to P. Let's go to our new lesson. M. We pronounce M the same like in English. Words begin from letter M. M. Mädchen, Mädchen. M. Mädchen, Mädchen. Mädchen means girl. M. Mädchen. Be careful, this is not Mädchen. D gives the voice of T. Mädchen. CH gives the voice of sh here, okay? Mädchen. Mädchen. M. Mädchen. Mädchen. M. Marienkäfer. Marienkäfer. Ladybug, okay? Ladybug. Marienkäfer. M-A-Ma R-I-E-N. Rien. Rien. K. Umlaut. K. Fer. F-E-R. Fer. Marienkäfer. M. Marienkäfer. Marienkäfer. M. Marienkäfer. Marienkäfer. M. Mango. Mango. M. Mango. Mango. M. Mango. M. Mutter. Mutter means mother. M. Mutter. Mutter. M. Mutter. Mutter. M. Mutter. Mutter. Mother. M. Man. 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 Okay? Man means man. Man. M. Man. Man. Now, this is N, the same like in English. In German, we also pronounce it as N. Words begin from letter N. N. Nest. Nest. N. Nest. Nest. Like the same in English. Bird's nest. Okay, it is nest in English and also in German. N. Nest. Nest. N. Nest. Nest. N. Nacht. Nacht. Nacht means night. Okay? N. Nacht. Nacht. Here, CH gives the voice of ch. Nacht. 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 N. Nacht. Nacht. N. Nuts. Nuts. Be careful. Z in English, but in German this gives the voice of set. Okay, it gives the voice of s or nets, nets, n, nets, nets, n, nets, nets, n, nets, nets, n, Name, name, okay, name in English, Name in German, Name, N-A, na, M-E, na, N, Name, Name, N, Name, Name, N, Name, Name, N, Nade, Nade, Nada means needle. N, nada, nada. N, nada, nada. L is silent. N, nada, nada. So, O, the same like in English, okay? Words begin from letter O. O, obst, obst. So here be careful. B gives the voice like P. This is not obst. B gives the voice op. Obst. Obst. Obst mean fruit. O. Obst. Obst. O. Obst. Obst. O. Obst. Obst. Be careful with B, okay? O. Ozean. Ozean. So as ocean means ocean. So as I told you before that Z gives the voice, okay? Set, set. So it is not OZ, not it is OC, it is ocean, ocean, ocean. Give the little touch to T, then S, okay? Ocean, 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 ocean. O, ocean, ocean. O, ocean, ocean, ocean. Ocean mean ocean. O, ocean, ocean. O, orange, orange, orange. O, orange. O, orange, orange. O, orange, orange. O, orange, orange. Orange means orange. O, Osten, Osten. Osten means east. O, Osten, Osten. O, Osten, Osten. O, Osten, Osten. O, Opa und Oma. Like grandparents, okay? Not grandparents, just like grandma and grandpa. Opa means grandpa, Oma means grandma, und means and. Opa und Oma. Grandpa and grandma. O, Opa, Opa und Oma. O, Opa und Oma. O, Opa und Oma. This is P in English, but pay in German, okay? It is pay. Words begin from letter P, means pay. This is pay. Pay, Pferd, Pferd. Pferd means pferd. Pferd means horse. So be careful with the voice of D. Here it gives the voice of T. Pferd, pferd. You have to pronounce P and F both. Pferd. Little difficult, but uh, you can practice, okay, and it will be better or with practice. Pferd, pferd, p, pferd, pferd, p, pferd, pferd, p, panda, panda. The same like in English. P, panda, panda. P, the same case. P, fowl. P, fowl, fowl, fowl. P, fowl, P, fowl. P, papa, guy, papa, guy. So here you should keep in mind I gives the voice I everywhere in German. When you face IE, you have to pronounce I like this GIE, guy, papa, guy, P, papa, guy. Papagay means parrot. P, papagay. P, papagay. P, P, papagay, papagay. P, papagay, papagay. P, papagay. P, poop, pu, poo. PPE, p, poo, p, poop. P, poop, poop. Poop means door. Übung Nummer 1, exercise number 1. Now, this is man, and you should write in German here. This is girl, you should write this in here. And this is what it is mother, you should write here in German. Now, write all these pictures' name in German in your notebook. And we will see you in next lesson. Thank you so much.